Alright, imagine this. Your money stress goes from, oh no, rent's due, to should I buy an island or a yacht? Let's talk about the 7 levels of financial freedom, but make it quick and fun. Level 1 is clarity, figuring out where your money is going. It's like realizing, wait, why am I subscribed to 3 streaming services I don't even watch? Level 2 is moving out of your parents' house. If you can pay rent and buy your own groceries, congrats. You're adulting like a champ. Bonus points if you're not living off ramen noodles. Level 3 is breathing room. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Feels good to not have your heart skip a beat every time your phone pings with a bank alert, right? Level 4 is stability. No bad debt, 6 months of expenses saved up, and you're officially the calm friend in the group chat when emergencies hit. Oh, your car broke down? No problem, I've got savings. Level 5 is flexibility. 2 years worth of savings. You could take a year off and still afford coffee that isn't instant. Now that's a flex. Level 6 is financial independence. Your investments are paying your bills and you're like, work? Never heard of her. And finally, level 7, abundant wealth. Money isn't just no longer a problem, it's basically your BFF. At this point, you're Googling, how much does a private jet actually cost? So, where are you on this ladder? Comment below. No judgment if you're still at level 1. We've all been there. Let's climb these levels together.